see the greenery. Wow, I've never seen in my life such a beautiful forest in Caucasus mountain. So this is called the Kutab, a local Azerbaijan dish here. You see, this is prepared from the meat, that your wheat, and cheese, and some sausage and some. This is a very beautiful dish.
Adi ne? Adi pendi.
Yok, adi bize adli peynirden göre taze.
Olan yok mu? Var.
How she is preparing. देखो भाई, इसको कुताब कहते हैं. कुताब को बनाते हैं. ये मैदा का रोटी होते हैं, जैसे चपाती के साथ मीट होते हैं.
Bir tane göl.
Ha. Ama bunun ikisini
Piyade
taze.
tezi göl pendi.
और इसके साथ मीट भी दे देते हैं.
Yardım var biraz.
Bir tane göl pendi.
All these authentic dishes at the Kazakhstan. So let me try this dish. I have to try. I must try. What's the name of this? Kutab. It is called the Kutab. I must try the Kutab. Your name? Elka. How much is this? 3 manat. 3 manat means in INR it comes to around 150 rupees. So it's quite reasonable. And Kutab and tea I must take. Let's try the Kutab. So भाई मैं कुताब ले रहा हूँ. देखते हैं कुताब कैसे है. Wow. Excellent.
Excellent. Good.
I like. The same taste like Indian.
How much is it? 1 second.
The same taste like Indian foods.
Truth
Is what?
yes. 1 second.
What is that?
Greens and granite.
Pomegranate. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Pomegranate.
These greens. Truth.